Okay, hello. What I'm here to talk to you about is using Grammarly, which is a support that's free if you go about it the way I'm suggesting you do here, for supporting you with grammar, punctuation, and other suggestions. And what happens is you can download a free add-on for Chrome, which comes up as a little button up here, and this supports your writing in emails and other things like this, suggesting changes, and it's very, very easy to use. So you may, for example, put in something like this, and if you misspell anything, you know, same as blah, blah, you go on down, you notice it's Grammarly is suggesting that you change it to this. This is not known, but say if we had okay, so we'll switch these two around. And it's suggested park there. So I don't need to hold it over that. You just hover your cursor over it, press it, and it'll correct your words. Now this is the same across everything. So what I tend to do is write my emails and then come back and correct them afterwards. Very, very handy. Now, to how you can also download this for Microsoft Word. So as you're writing your essay, for example, it will constantly give you suggestions on an ongoing basis that will allow you to pick up on syntax, poor grammar, and spelling errors, etc., which should make, the quality of your work and maintaining that easier. So what you need to do is sign up for an account here. You can go into Chrome, Google or Facebook or whatever, and you sign up. It's grammarly.com, and in the description of this essay, I've put in the link that if you just click on it, it'll bring you straight to here. And after you sign up, you'll be asked to find an access code in the email address that you use to sign up, and then you input this and you follow through like this. Now it's asking you to go for premium with this. You don't have to. If you'll notice hidden rather well down the bottom here, if you don't have an access code, you can try the free version of Grammarly, which you wouldn't normally notice, would you? And if you click on this, it brings you to Grammarly for Microsoft Words, and you get a free download from this. And if you click on the free download for it, it will give you the steps that you need to follow through. Now, I already have it on my computer, but you see it downloads something here, and then you press save. You open up Grammarly, and there's a tour for it that opens up, and you have a button that you can enable in the side of your Microsoft Word, which looks like, let me see, this is Grammarly open here, and as you can see, the button is, oops, over in the side over here at the side of your Microsoft Word, and a tour opens up. So there's the button for it just there. And what this does, as it gives it to you, is it goes in the Home tab here, and you just sign into your Grammarly account, and the tab will just open up along the side here. And as you type things in, it'll correct it and make suggestions as it goes along. You can decide on what type of suggestions you want it to make: contextual spelling, Grammarly, punctuation, sentence structure, etc. You will have, much as I showed you there a minute ago, it'll make an alert that you can then choose to accept or not accept. You can add the new word to the dictionary so it learns as it goes along, or you can choose to ignore an alert. And you can adjust your settings as you go, should you wish, which is over here. So this, as you can see, is the bar that opens up, and there's Grammarly there right beside my Zotero. Some of these things, because we have the free version, you won't get, such as plagiarism detection and all the rest of that sort of thing, but you're already covered for that with Erkand. So we got grammar, we got punctuation, we got sentence structure, and we got style, which I think will be very, very useful. Now, just here at the end, I want to point out, as I mentioned earlier, that this is the way of opening up the APA templates that are available in Microsoft Word. So if you go into your File tab here, you go to New, you just simply put in APA here, get all these templates that you can use. So you got the report in APA, the paper, and the classic double spaced, but it's blank. So you can click on that, press create, and here's the, and you're double spaced, and your headings are just there, should you wish it. Okay, so hilariously, Grammarly has not found any issues with this waffle that I've just written up here. I think there may be an, did I put that in there, error. You see there's a suggested confused word here from Grammarly. If I hover over this, oops, and that fixes it. So that's how it works. So I think it's something that's well worth using. But again, it's up to you, and you can choose to or not to yourself. Okay, best of luck.